Hi, folks. Hi, my name is Sunil Bhatia, and I've been hearing a lot of AI buzz in the last 1 or 2 years, and off late has become even more with agentic AI and a bunch of new tech that is coming out. But having said that, I've seen a lot of projects when they go into production, they just completely bomb. A couple of issues that they face, etc. So I've been studying quite a lot in terms of what these failures are and why do they fail, and I've come to this conclusion that there are a few patterns, or at least in my opinion, in my way of doing things, there are 8 steps of an AI strategy that we need to look at. That's how we will be able to run with AI projects. That's how we will be able to make AI projects successful, right? What I want to cover is real stories. I want to cover success stories. I want to cover failures, what the key learnings are, and what potentially we could have done in those specific scenarios. So I'm going to go deeper into a few of those case studies and perhaps walk back into that journey and say, this is what potentially we could have done that could have made the project a little better. Right. So, having said that, I just want to quickly touch upon a few concepts that I thought about, and I just want to introduce this to be a teaser video. I'm going to be making another video as a follow up to this, where I will go into the depth of it. Now, whether it is a one-part video or a few parts video, that is yet to be decided. Look, depends on the research that I do and depends on the volume of content that I create. But I just wanted to walk you through what we're going to be doing as part of this whole journey. Right now, we've all seen AI pilots look amazing within a lab, but then the moment they go to production, just completely bombs and crashes. We also see that teams invest months and months of hard labor, days and nights spent at offices, away from families, burned millions of dollars, only to realize that when they go into production, they don't even know what success looks like. They don't know what benchmark to, or they fail to set a benchmark against which they're going to evaluate the results. They just are going behind the buzz to say we have to AI enable our product, but that's not how you make AI successful. Again, AI is not a magic pill. It's a tool to run your business a little bit more efficiently compared to what you would have done manually. Right, so AI is just not a magic pill that you drop into your business domain and then it just magically produces things that you were expecting it to. Right, so it starts with defining what success looks like, defining what your key metrics are, etc. Also, why is it that after spending millions of dollars, months of hard work, that orgs quickly pull back the AI solution that they've developed on and they've released to the production environment? And why is it that a few of them push back to a manual process? And there are several use cases where this has happened, and it's a disaster at the face of it, right? And I want to, with this video, at least bring it out in the open of how and what could orgs have done and what could future orgs take care of in terms of implementing AI solutions within their businesses. Now, whether it could be to reduce cost, to increase profitability, or to overall improve the workflow and life cycle of their business, right? And again, resulting in either cost savings or added profits. So with that, my 8-step AI strategy blueprint has a few steps. These are my steps. The steps that a lot of people talk about could be different, but this is what I believe in terms of first defining the right goals. How do you go ahead and test with real world data? And how do you really even save yourself from embarrassment when you make a production release, right? A lot of AI solutions touch the market and then immediately get rolled back, right? And then how do you roll back a little bit more responsibility at scale? Because getting the first initial kick or the benefit out of an AI solution is easy because you are releasing perhaps to a very small audience or an audience set that you've chosen. But as you now start to expand it to a different and larger audience, how do you ensure that your failure is minimized? How do you ensure that your solution really works for the masses and it just doesn't work for a cohort of it? And then a few more things that I want to cover and talk about, right? So with that, I also want to cover real case studies across healthcare, finance, e-commerce, marketing, and customer support. And if you guys want anything extra in terms of case studies, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to do that for you. But this is not a complete analysis or a case study. This is what I have read. These are case studies that have touched me when I read more about it. And I just want to kind of do a live surgery of that to the best of my ability and knowledge and present to you what could we have done better so that it becomes a learning for the orgs in the future when they take care of some of their or AI enabling their businesses. So with that, I just want to say thank you. Please do, subscribe to the channel to receive more updates about this. I'll be coming up with a follow-up video soon. So hang in there. See you soon. Bye-bye.